Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 25th of May, Tuesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, so feel free to subscribe my channel. Just to recap guys, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. And if you would like to know how I trade through this platform in real time and provide the live intraday analysis to my trader, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, if you look at my yesterday analysis, the link is given in the video description. We were long from yesterday. We had a beautiful long trade yesterday. Even today we were long, as mentioned yesterday. If the price gonna break, at that time the price was at this level, and look, price is broken, and we banked beautiful long profit, and we also had a counter short trade. So if the price is going to stay above the previous high, then still possibility price might gonna continue. We'll see tomorrow. If the price gonna stay below this previous low, then possibility of short trade. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. We basically define our entries and exit in the intraday system. Let me share with you today's intraday analysis. As you can see here, in yesterday I had it let me make it slightly bigger. So okay, so yesterday we had this pullback, we had this breakout. As mentioned, after the breakout, I explained to my trader, just keep taking. We had this yesterday pullback at the New York session, bank beautiful pips as soon as the price this level, as mentioned yesterday. And today I also mentioned my traders to look for another pullback. You can see here we have another beautiful pullback based on the momentum, and the price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit this level, first level, at that time we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. But I also did the analysis, updated that same analysis at the London morning session, that look for another breakout. If the price is going to break, you can see here that's the breakout, which price nicely broken. As you can see here, after the breakout we have another beautiful pullback long trade on EURUSD. And if you look at the New York session, when the price developed sideways market, you can see we had a triple top, and that's what we explained to trader, look for breakout. But most safest trade would be after the breakout pullback. That's the for the counter trade. As you can see here, price nicely broken. After the breakout, price retest, and that's what we explained to trader, short trade here. And as soon as the price hit this level in 4-hour, and you can see here price respecting another first target. If you look at here, that's the support level, and beautiful another small counter short trade, as explained to trader, to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful long trade. We were long from yesterday, and today we banked beautiful pips. We already had one small counter short trade, and let's see tomorrow guys. And if the price, as I said to you guys, if the price gonna stay above this level, we're gonna keep taking a pullback. If the price gonna respect and break, then counter short trade. We'll let you know tomorrow. Pound dollar, we had amazing trades, and if you look at here, even yesterday we had short and long, and this morning once we bank some profit here, we already also had a beautiful short trade here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis of pound dollar. We had amazing trades, and if you look at here, this was the trade this morning. Okay, so this was the trade. We had it yesterday, as I said to you guys. We had this breakout, and after the breakout we had another pullback. We had this breakout yesterday, and at the Asian session, which I explained to trader, keep taking a pullback, and we have another pullback long and beautiful trade. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level into the 4-hour, as you can see here, that's the level you can see here previously, and that time explained to trader it's time to bank some profit and look for counter short trade. And that's what exactly we did. You can see here in intraday, once the profit is done, that's what we explained to trader, and then now keep taking a short trade here. So we had this counter short trade. The first target always be the 200 EMA, bank some profit, and afterwards I explained to trader there's still possibility of short trade. So we had it another beautiful analysis. You can see here, once we short trade and bank some profit, again we had this breakout, and that's what we explained to trader. If the price is going to break this level, then we will consider this one pullback long trade here. And if the price gonna break the recent low, then it means the price want to continue short. Because if you look at in the 4-hour, we have this rejection, beautiful, at the resistance level. We have this breakout, and after the breakout, look at the bottom momentum, we have another pullback. So that's a beautiful short trade. Once we bank some profit, and then as always after the breakout, that's what we explained to trade, look for another pullback short trade here in the next analysis. As I said to you guys, we are intraday, we watch the trades. As you can see here, we have beautiful short trade, bank profit, again pull back. So based on the, you can see here, price nicely respected this trend resistance line. We have another short trade here as soon as the price hit to the major support level, which is 41,105 level, which is the previous low. And that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful long trade yesterday, and today we were short, and most of the trade we were short here. As you can see from my analysis, we were short here, and then we have another short here, we have another pullback short here, we have another pullback short here. All these trades analysis is done in real time and provide the live audio commentary support to trader, give them confidence to keep banking some pips. So we had a beautiful short trades today on pound dollar. That was the trade of the day today. All right, so let's move into the dollar CAD, and just to recap, let's see here. Okay, so you can see the price develop up channel. So we're looking tomorrow, even today we have some sort of rejection, but still we'll see if the price is going to respect the previous low. As you can see here, then possibility of long, but still, as you can, if you look at the Bollinger Band is squeezing it, so there's an opportunities. The safest way I'm looking for is to break out this sideways market, guys. But as an intraday, if we find any opportunity, we will definitely is going to take it here. If we see if the price is going to break, you can see the previous high. If the price develop a pullback, then we're going to be taking a pullback long. If the price going to break, that's give us the confirmation that the price want to continue short. We'll let you know tomorrow on pound dollar. Let's move into the dollar CAD. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we had it yesterday, we had a short trade here, and as soon as the price hit to the previous low, bank some profit. And today we were long at the New York session. And let me share with you the intraday analysis of this trade here. As you can see here, from yesterday we were short. As you can see here, yesterday we had this breakout short trade, bank beautiful pips, and this morning London morning session, we can see here another pullback long, pullback short, which price nicely developed pullback short. And as soon as the price hit to the major support level in 4-hour and price develop a double bottom, that's what we explained to trader this time. Either you can take a bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. And at the New York session, you can see that's what we explained to trader. The first priority would be the pullback short if the price gonna break, and then pull back long. So we had a very interesting trade because we managed both long and short. And let me explain to you guys how I did it. First of all, if you look at here, the price develop a pullback short. So we take a short trade here, then instantly I explained to my trader, this is the previous high is broken, and you can see this is a support level. If the price is going to respect, then possibility of long, because in 4-hour the price develop a double bottom, as you can see here. And also in intraday, you can see here, you can see these are arrows. I explained to my traders that the developer double, so the possibility price might going to hit. And as explained to my trader, that's going to be your first target at this time in the analysis. So we take a short trade, some of bank 10-15 pips and look for another breakout. Then I also update this analysis instantly once I understand the price action in intraday, and this is the analysis you can see it. And that's what I explained to trader, look for this breakout. And after banking 10-15 pips, we had another breakout, and as soon as the price hit to the first target, which is almost equal to the previous high, and then bank beautiful pips. So we had amazing small trades, but beautiful bank beautiful pips on dollar CAD. So you can see, guys, we had a beautiful trades all of them: pound dollar, euro USD, and the dollar CAD. We also had the best trade we had it beautiful. That was the euro yen. Let me share with you guys. You can see here we had this breakout yesterday, afterwards pulled back long trade this morning. So as you can see, pound dollar, we had a beautiful trades, guys. Most of them, you can see here, this was the breakout. After the breakout, pull back, one, two, three, four beautiful trades on euro yen. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. If you would like to see all that analysis in real time, and if you would like to receive all that explanation in real time, that's the interesting story. You know, showing historical is amazing. Everybody can dream it, make millions, but the most important thing is doing analysis in real time and taking position in real time and making pips in real time. That's the interesting game, and that's what exactly I want to teach my traders in real time, so they can develop their trading skill in a real time. And once they develop the trading skills in real time, banking good pips, then we can open door for them getting funded from prop firms. If you are interested how I coach and train my traders in real time, and feel free to book one-to-one consultation, which is completely free, and that's a link. My availability calendar link is given in the video description. Feel free, guys. And even if you are experienced trader, as you can see, this is all pure price action. I'm pretty sure you're gonna you will enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. And so most welcome to join my fast growing community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.